course, in grade 5, you now have compound, which just means basically that it's over an octave. And we can see here by looking at what we've been given that it is over an octave. In the bass clef, this is our middle C. So G, F, E, D, C, B. So this is a B, and this note here is an F. When it's perfect, it's either diminished or augmented. We always take the lower note as being our major scale first. B major has 5 sharps, so this is one of them. So F should actually be sharp. So for this to be a perfect interval, it would be an F sharp, but it's an F natural, so we've lowered it. And when you lower a perfect interval, you make it diminished. So it's a diminished something or other. We've been given a diminished 11th. So diminished is correct, but is it an 11th? Let's count up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. A 12th. And it's a minor 12th? No, because we know it's a diminished. It's not augmented either. So it's a compound diminished 5th. This one here is an A flat. This note here is an E flat. Always take account of the accidentals. They're hugely important in these intervals. Okay. B, C, D, E equals an interval of a 5th. Okay. And because A flat major has 4 flats and E is one of them, it is in the major scale, so it should be perfect. Okay, so there's our answer there. Again, we can see this is over an octave, so we could be looking at a compound, or we might have to count up through the intervals to see what interval it is. Let's figure out what the notes are first. We're in the treble clef. It's a G. Again, if you're not sure, this is middle C. So C, B, A, G. It's a G2, and this is an F flat. Forget about the interval of the compound at the moment and that it's over the octave. Let's just count up what this would normally be, okay? So if we had a G here, let's say, okay, it would be G to F flat. G, A, B, C, D, E, F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's a 7th, okay? And G major should have an F sharp. So F sharp would be the major 7th. If we cancel out the F sharp there and bring it down to a natural, we'd go from major to, so F sharp would be major. The next step down is minor. So F natural would be the minor, but we've gone another step lower than that again. So it's definitely diminished. It's a diminished 7th. That's minor, so that's incorrect. That's a major, that's again incorrect. And diminished 13th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So the 13 would land us here. So it is a compound diminished 7th.